SummerCollection have in H&M for sale. Okay. So we have, there's another packet. Okay. You will see what's inside this packet also. Oh my god. Okay. So this is a white dress, a submarine dress that it's my favorite because I love white, and then it's some flower pattern also, and I love flowers. So let's go to another package. Hi friends, I'm going to open the blind bag, the second one. So let's start. Okay, let me open it. So here's wow. Okay. So after that, I like this dress because it's very silky and it's made out of cotton, and it also has pink flowers, which I do like a lot. So, and this is also my favorite color, white with blue. So yeah, it's a very good combination to try. And it's a summery dress. This is our third package. Let's open it. Okay. Now, so this is a yellow shorts that I love because this is the sun's color and sun is very bright, and I love yellow by my color because my cousin loves it. Okay, so it is very soft and stretchy also. So it's my favorite outfit of the day. Hello friends, I'm going to unbox the part 4. So, fourth packet, it's a night suit, and this is very summery, so I really like it. And it's also very stretchy, like this. It's also very cool and very cute. And this is very silky and this, and it's made out of cotton. And this is Stitch edition, and we love Stitch. It's our favorite cartoon character. Hope you liked it and grab your collection from the H&M Kids collection that is on sale right now. Go get it. Bye.